I've been in San Diego for about 2 years. My practice moved from near Cape Cod, Massachusetts. So if you detect a little bit of a funny accent, that's why I try to hide it as much as I possibly can. When I was coming up with the concept for San Diego, as you see on the title slide here, there's kind of like some conflict here because we have a beautiful plumeria flower, and we've got Zen, and we've got arts and spa, and then we have dental. And I didn't think anything of that, except when I started talking to my friends, they were asking me what kind of acid trip I got on because how do you get the Zen and the dental two things together because they're completely conflicting. And if you look into the media and popular culture, all the dentists are either bumbling idiots or else they're some sort of psychopathic sadists and from the Marathon Man. And some of these movies I've never seen. This is a good one. You got to see it. It's been 6 months. Time for your checkup. That's the header on this movie, and then this one is The Dentist, Brace Yourself. So it's kind of no wonder that we get this reputation. This is all popular culture, the guy that stole Nemo out of the ocean. But what we've done is put together, I thought it would be a good idea. 1 or 2 people in my career have told me that sometimes it's a little bit stressful. I can't understand why, but people have actually told me, I know you might not believe this, that it might be stressful to be a dentist. So I thought it would be nice if we could combine some of the really relaxing things of like head and neck massage, and I know Meltology is here for hand wraps, and doing maybe some foot wraps, and just some nice things, nice components that we can add to a spa. And even to this day, I answer the phone sometimes and people will say, is this a dental office or is this a spa? Well, it's kind of both. And so what we've created is a very relaxing space that you can come and look at our fish tank, and this is our front desk area. It doesn't look like a normal dental office, and it doesn't smell like a dental office, and it doesn't have the Colgate poster on the wall. This is actually the treatment room. You can see all the way out to the ocean, Point Loma, downtown. You can watch the airplanes land, so that's our space. And being from Ohio State, I got a little bit of the scarlet and gray on the wall, so I'm happy. And I know there's quite a few of my patients here, and I appreciate your votes. No, I didn't win, but we came in third. So we're on the first page, and I appreciate the time that everybody took. What I was told was that there was actually offices that, I don't know if I'm supposed to say this, but there's offices that got disqualified for cheating. So thank you for not cheating. So we get off onto our journey into what San Diego is and what the whole concept of a dental spa. We do offer laser dentistry. Brent mentioned that. Probably the bulk of my topic will be laser dentistry. It's not going to be a bunch of before and after pretty pictures because you've seen that. You know what your teeth look like. You know what they want to look like. I don't need to show you what they should look like. So we'll talk about why minimally invasive dentistry and laser dentistry are different. And then we have June here at our table. She's a massage therapist. She's taught at Bellis Academy. She specializes in cellulite treatments and in post-op. So if you've had, or if you know someone who's had any sort of surgical procedure, and it doesn't have to just be a cosmetic thing like lipo, she can treat that with the technology in our office, the endermology, the triactive, the fellowship. We do have massage therapists. We actually have a Swedish massage therapist. We have facial esthetician, and we do have Bianca, who is she's got a master's in Chinese medicine and is an acupuncturist. These are kind of graphic images. But people ask me from the dental world about, see, all you know about the cellulite and facelift stuff. My dental people don't know this stuff. Like, what is the cellulite? How can you treat it? And you can actually minimize the signs and symptoms that we see from cellulite by using these technologies. And the reason that we have so many technologies, we're one of the few offices in San Diego that offer so many of them, is because they each have a purpose in the office, depending on whether you're maybe post-surgery and your skin is more sensitive versus someone who is full-blown in need of cellulite therapy. That's all I'm going to say about that.